Hi friends, welcome to Cook Ketchup. Today we are going to see paneer tikki. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notification so that you will get my regular updates. In this channel, we are going to see many more recipes which are prepared at home, which are very healthy, and it is a homemade, which is very tasty and easy recipe that you can prepare at home and you can give it for your kids and family members. Now let's move on to the recipe and see how to prepare this paneer tikki. Now to prepare this paneer tikki, we are going to use carrots, onions, one capsicum, then chenna or grated paneer, then coriander leaves. See here I have taken 2 carrots which I have grated and kept. Then one finely chopped onion. Next one capsicum that also I have finely chopped and kept. See here it should be very small pieces. Now I am going to take chenna or grated paneer. Anything is fine. I have taken chenna because I have freshly prepared paneer at home. For that I have taken chenna. Then coriander leaves. For paneer recipe you can check out my description box. While preparing paneer, once the whey water gets separated, we'll get this chenna. In case if you're buying it from a shop, you can create the paneer and you can use it. For this I have taken around 250 gram of paneer actually. It should be finely chopped like this so that when you are forming a patties, it will come into a nice shape. Then masalas to be used, chaat masala, garam masala, red chili powder and salt we are going to use. Chaat masala, half teaspoon I have taken. Then garam masala. Then 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, which gives more color to this tikki. Then salt to taste. We are going to use this masalas to get nice aroma and flavor as well as spice to this tikki. Now I have taken a kadai. We can switch on the stove. Once the kadai is hot, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee. We are going to sort these vegetables, all the onion, capsicum and carrot, so that it has to be sorted for a minute or two. Now I am adding onions first. Then I am going to add the grated carrots. Then you can add the finely chopped capsicum. You can add any vegetable of your choice that will be cooked within a minute or two, like cabbage or even beetroot you can use, because children are always fussy to have vegetables. So you can try it and give it in this form. So you can add vegetables of your choice. We are going to sort these vegetables. Now I am going to add salt to this so that it will be cooked fast. I am adding salt. Now again you can sort this. Don't sort for longer time because we need this crunchiness to be maintained. So just sort for a minute. This food tikki, it is very good for health as paneer is super rich in protein and carrots are also good for eyes. So children will normally not have daily, so you can give it in this form. Now I am going to add Kashmiri chili powder, which gives nice color but it will be less spicy. Then garam masala, chaat masala. Now I am going to add garam masala, which gives nice flavor to this tikki. We are going to sort this masalas for a minute so that the raw smell has to be gone, so that it will be very nice and spicy. Once it is mixed nicely for a minute, you can sort for a minute and you can switch off the stove. Now we are going to add the coriander leaves because we need it little greenish and fresh aroma. For that I am adding after switching off the stove. You can just mix this nicely with that mixture. Now once it is mixed nicely like this, you can add the chenna or grated paneer, whatever you have. See, like this you can just add it and you can mix nicely to form a mixture from which we are going to make a patties. Now once the paneer is mixed, this mixture has to be cooled down, so that once it is cooled down we can just form a patty shape so that we can prepare tikkis from this. See here. Now once the mixture is cooled down, we are going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of corn flour, which will bind the mixture nicely, so that when we fry it in oil, that is do shallow fry, it will not split and come away. See here, like this you can form a small patties. Like this I have prepared patties and kept. See here. Now once the patties are formed, you can dust with corn flour on both the sides if you feel it is sticky. Then I have taken a iron kadai with little oil. You can take even groundnut oil or coconut oil. Once it is hot, I am dropping these patties so that it will be cooked within a minute or two, because already the vegetables are half cooked, so no need to cook for longer time. Just 1 minute on each side if you cook, it is more than enough. Paneer also no need to cook for longer time. Vegetables are already half cooked. It is very easy, healthy recipe. You can try this recipe at home. It will be very easy to prepare. I have used this iron kadai. I always say in the other video as well that using iron kadai, it is very good for your health. So try to make use of the iron utensils if you have. You can prepare any side dish, or you can use for any fry or sorting vegetables. You can make use of this iron kadai so that you'll get the benefit of iron. Now see, one side it is cooked, other side you can just flip it. Once it turns light golden brown color, you can just flip it to the other side. Actually it is very healthy, easy and tasty recipe. It will be really awesome. So you can try this recipe. Your children will love to have this recipe, as it is loaded with super rich protein and vitamins. Please try to prepare this. Always kids love to have recipes in different forms, in different tastes. Though paneer is same, but recipes with paneer, different recipes with paneer will always be tasty and they like to have it often. So keep changing your recipes, especially snacks. See, it is done. Now you can slowly transfer to the plate now. Like this you can repeat the other sets of tikkis, and you can just transfer to a plate with paper towel so that it will absorb the excess oil. See how nice it is. Your children will really love to have it in the evening. It will be very stomach filling for them. It will be healthy as well as tasty. Like this you can prepare and you can give it to your children. Now let me show you how it will be inside. See here, it is full of vegetables. It will be very nice, soft and tasty. You can have it with sauce or mayonnaise. Now this you can serve this with sauce or mayonnaise to kids. In case if you feel you want this to be oil free, especially for adults, as it is healthy but with more oil if you don't want to use, you can just grill this paneer tikki and you can have it, so that it will be oil free as well as healthy. Then in case if you want to have it for a sandwich, you can take the mixture after sorting vegetables and grated paneer. You can spread that mixture for wheat bread and you can have it as a healthy breakfast, especially adults, because wheat bread and this mixture, vegetable mixture, will be very healthy and it will be filling. You can try this. I hope you will like this recipe. If you like this recipe, please share it to your friends and leave your comment in the comment box. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.